Hello my wonderful students, how are you all doing today? Welcome to our online class on English Studies, and our topic today is indefinite adverb. Indefinite adverb. Before we proceed, let's discuss adverb. Remember that adverb is one of the parts of speech we have in English. We have other parts of speech, and today we'll be discussing adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or even itself, which is an adverb. It is a word that describes a verb. It is a word that describes a verb. Some other times it could describe an adjective or itself. So when we talk of adverb, we talk of frequency. When we talk of adverb, we talk of frequency. When you talk of frequency, what comes to your mind? Frequency has to do with time. Frequency deals with time. It is how often or how something is done, or when something is done. That is frequency. How something is done or when something is done. And we have definite adverb of frequency and indefinite. Today we'll be dealing with indefinite. But remember, we cannot talk of indefinite if you've not heard of definite. When something is definite, it is specific. If I tell you that I come to school every day, you know that it is every day. That is, it is specific. You know that Monday I come to school, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even Sunday. That is every day. It is definite. But when you talk of indefinite, it is not specific. Indefinite is not specific. When I tell you I always come to school every day, always, you don't know whether it's Monday, Tuesday. You don't know if it's from morning to evening. It is not specific. It is different from I come to every Monday. No, it's specific. So you've understood the difference between specific or definite and indefinite. So let's go straight to indefinite frequency. Remember I said indefinite is unspecific. When we talk of indefinite adverb, they are unspecific. We have always, never, usually, often, occasionally. They are indefinite adverbs. They are different from definite adverbs or definite frequency. When you talk of definite, you talk of hourly, daily. I prepare lunch daily. That means every day I do that. Weekly, every day. When you talk of weekly, that means you do it every week. When you talk of every day, it happens every day. Monthly, maybe you do it once a month or so, or yearly, you can do it once a year. That's definite. But remember, indefinite is unspecific. You have always, usually, often, occasionally. So we're using them in sentences. Number one, she's often ill in winter. Often. Often is a degree of something. But we are not specific. Often, is it every day? Is it every minute? Is it every second? We don't know, but it is often. Then, the manager is usually the first person to arrive. The manager is usually the first person to arrive. Usually is unspecific and it is indefinite adverb. Usually. I always read till 7 p.m. Always. But before we continue, can you identify the verb in this sentence? Remember we said adverb describes verb. I always read till 7 p.m. The verb there is read. You can as well say I read till 7 p.m. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. I read till 7 p.m. But this is a degree of something. I always read, and this is the adverb. Indefinite adverb because we are not specific. I always read till 7 p.m. It is different from I read every hour or I read every day. You are specific. Hour, day. It is specific. But when you say I always read till 7 p.m., you're not specific. I rarely listen to the radio. I rarely listen to the radio. It could mean that you listen to radio just once a week, or you listen to the radio just once a month. But this is unspecific, rarely. And the last but not the least, I normally swim after school. I normally swim after school. Normally is unspecific, or rather indefinite adverb, because we are unspecific. I normally swim after school. You can as well say I swim after school. But I normally means that you don't do it always. But as the case may be, we are not specific. That is why it is indefinite adverb. Hope you learned something. At least learn the difference between definite and indefinite. That is specific and unspecific. Hope you learned something and listen to your voice notes or rather the video and go to class dojo for your assignments. See you next time.